right. Dad and Xander.
Hi.
Escaping handcuffs Saturday morning. Hey Xander, can you handcuff me?
I'm in handcuffs.
Well, I can't handcuff myself.
Oh, fine.
Well, maybe I can. Maybe I can. All right. Whoa. There we go. That's a little tight.
All right.
All right. Here we go.
Let's come in again. Hi.
Let's come in again. You YouTube editor, you. All right. Let's go. Handcuff picking. Let's get out. Hey, you're blocking me. Let's stand next to each other. Like, look at the video. You can see it. All right. I think I had it. I almost had it. Uh-oh. Xander, I'm feeling pressure, man. I don't know if I can do this.
Oh, no one handcuff you in this.
Maybe we should do a video of you escaping and saving your dad.
Yeah, this is the video. Right.
Hold on, I'm gonna get it, buddy. I'm gonna get it. Xander and Dad out of handcuffs.